Here's a quick tutorial using Evoto and our overlays. So if you have Evoto, you just simply open up your image in Evoto. And then what you do is over here to the right, you click on backdrops, and then you would just hit add, and then you would add whatever overlays you would like. So let's say we'll add this overlay and then hit open. Once you've added it, then all you have to do is click on it and you'll see that the background will change. Okay, so you can really add any image that you would like in here. And then once you've added it, you can simply adjust the size of the background. You could do vertical, which means it'll go up and down. You can do horizontal, to the left or to the right, and you can change the opacity. You can find these overlays at ourcreativedreams.com if you'd like to learn how to create your own AI images using prompts and how to do more advanced editing in Photoshop. Then you would go to the AIcreativecollective.com. If you simply want to buy the images to be used in your existing images or whatever you would like to do with them, then you would go to ourcreativedreams.com, in which you can either sign up for the membership and receive all of our downloads, or you could purchase just this special Valentine pack.